This is a presentation on Chinese radicals to supplement the introduction given in class today. Remember that radicals are components of Chinese characters that combine to make Chinese characters. In class today, we learned the water radical and the alternate form of the water radical, the 3 drops of water. The next radical you should see is the grass radical, 草. To draw the grass radical, the stroke order is the ground, and then 2 blades of grass going through the ground, the horizontal line, then 2 vertical lines. The next radical is the mouth radical, 口. To draw the mouth radical, make sure you draw the left line first, an upside down L, and then close the box. Left line, vertical, upside down L, close the box. The next radical you should see is the tree radical. It's a representation of a tree with its branches. It used to include pictures of the branches and the roots, but over time it evolved just to show branches. You can see in this form it has a little hook on the bottom, whereas this one does not. That's just a difference in fonts. Don't worry about it. The next radical is the hand radical, shou. Here, the illustrator has made the hand radical appear as the lines in the palm of your hand to try and capture it visually. Here, the hand radical appears in the character na, to take or pick up. The alternate version of hand looks like this. Here it appears in the character to hit and to receive. To write the hand, first you draw a backwards lowercase t, then stab it with a spear. T, stab. The next character is person, represented by 2 legs. Here is a head and arms to show you the person in the person radical. The alternate form of person shows a person on their side, maybe doing yoga. The next radical you should learn is the gold or metal radical. Here, the illustrator has drawn the radical as a roof over a man digging through 2 layers of earth to get to 2 dots of gold. This radical was simplified, here shown as the digger leaving the mine, and the gold has been removed and the roof has been opened so he can escape. To draw the simplified form, first you draw the modified roof, 2 layers of earth, and a mine shaft. Modified roof, 2 lines for the layers, and the mine shaft. The next radical is the heart radical, xin. Originally, it showed the 3 chambers of the heart. In today's form, it has 3 lines above a large form. Those could represent the major blood vessels above the heart, the aorta and the pulmonary arteries. Or you can remember it as a messed up smiley face. Here is the stroke order. Heart has an alternate form, a line with 2 dots, that looks like a blood vessel with little capillaries coming off of it. The next radical is the earth radical, which is represented by something, a plus sign, growing out of the ground, a horizontal line. How many earths can you see in the picture? The stroke order, you draw the plus sign and then the line representing the earth. The last radical in this packet is the moon radical. It represents a crescent moon.